Told him. Wouldn't listen.
Is that you, Jim?
Yeah, that's him. Case here too.
Oh, hi, Keith.
Well, the weather's cleared up.
Keep going.
You can forget about that ticket, Jim.
Cheers, Jim. Oh, here he comes.
Bugger.
Should have known better. You don't send a ute to do a Hilux job.
Hey there, Motocars community. Have you ever considered buying a Toyota Hilux, or are you a current owner? I've got some crucial information that you need to hear. Today, we're diving into some common problems that Toyota Hilux owners might encounter. From turbo troubles to injector seals leaking, I've got the full lowdown for you. Let's break it down. 1. Turbo troubles. Issues like a split intercooler pipe, worn turbo bearings, or a failing turbo can result in power loss and excessive black smoke from the exhaust. 2. Misfiring and starting problems. Owners of common rail diesel Hiluxes may encounter issues with diesel fuel injectors, leading to misfiring and starting difficulties. 3. Injector seals leaking. The Toyota Hilux KUN26R, manufactured between 2005 and 2015, faced issues related to injector seal leaks. 4. Power loss. Some owners have reported a loss of power, which can be caused by various issues including problems with the turbocharger or fuel system. 5. Leaking oil from crank seal. Oil leaks from the crank seal can lead to oil contamination and potential engine damage. 6. Challenges with fifth gear synchronization. Some Hilux owners have reported difficulties with fifth gear synchronization. 7. DPF issues. Later models of the Hilux may experience issues with the diesel particulate filter, leading to increased maintenance costs. If you found this information helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of our updates. Stay safe, stay savvy, and keep those motors running smoothly. Until next time, this is Motocars, signing off.